Write an equation of a line containing the given point and perpendicular to the given line. Express your answer in the form of y equals mx plus b. Given are the point 2, 8 and line 7x plus y equals 8. So the given are 0.28 and the line 7x plus y equals 8. First thing we have to do is to rewrite 7x plus y equals 8 in the form of y equals mx plus b. So we have 7x plus y equals 8. So we need to add the opposite of 7x, which is minus 7x or negative 7x plus y equals. So whatever you add to the left equation, we need to add to the right equation. So we add negative 7x. So we can cancel 7x and negative 7x, and we will only have y in the left equation. Y equals negative 7x plus 8. We need to write the number and the variable first before the constant because we are writing it in a form of y equals mx plus b, where m is your slope. Here, the slope is negative 7 and your b or your y-intercept is 8. Remember, in the problem, the unknown line is perpendicular to this line. So, when it's perpendicular to that line, that means the slope is a negative reciprocal of that line. So, if the slope of this line is negative 7, the other line that we are looking for, the slope would be equal to 1 over 7. So just remember, if the line is perpendicular to the other line, the slope is a negative reciprocal of that line. Okay. So now that we know the slope and the point, we can plug into or substitute to the y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. So we have the slope and the point. Remember that the slope is 1 over 7. We can plug into this equation. So y minus your y sub 1 is 8 equals, your slope is 1, 7, times the quantity of x minus your x coordinate, which is 2. So this is now your point-slope form equation of a line. Now, in order to write it in a y-intercept form, because the original problem is we have to express your answer in the form of y equals mx plus b. So we have to simplify. So in order to simplify, we have to add the, so y minus 8 plus the opposite of negative 8 is 8 or positive 8 equals 1 over 7. We need to distribute. 1/7 times x is 1/7 x. Then 1/7 times 2 times negative 2 would be negative multiply the denominator of whole number is always 1. So the 2 is the numerator. So we have to multiply the numerator times the numerator and the denominator times the denominator. So 1 times 2 is 2. And then the denominator would be 7 times 1, which is 7. Plus, because we add positive 8 to the other side of the equation, we need to add 8 to the right equation. So now, in the left equation, negative 8 plus 8 is 0. So we leave us to only y, then equals, so 1/7 x minus 2/7 x plus 8. So the denominator of 8 is 1, because 8 is a whole number. 8 divided by 1 equals 8. So now, we can combine like terms. Y equals 1/7 has a variable of x, so we leave it 1/7x. In order to add two fractions with different denominator, we need to change it into a common denominator. So we have to use the 7, the negative to 7, because 7 is bigger than 1. So what number can we multiply to 1 to give us 7? So they will have the same denominator. So 7 times 1 is 7. So if you are multiplying the denominator by 7, you need to multiply the numerator by 7. So 7 times 8 is 56. So now our fraction is 56 over 7. So we're adding negative 2/7 plus 56 over 7 will be equal to, so negative 2 plus 56. You're subtracting 56 minus 2. So your answer will be 54. And then your denominator would be 7. 54 over 7 is positive sign because 56 over 7 is bigger than negative 2 over 7. So we are copying the sign of a bigger number. 54 over 7. So this is your final answer.